What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog, everybody. Today, as you can see, we're flashing our car MHD stage 2 plus. The one thing you are gonna need is a battery charger because it does take like 30 minutes to write the tune, and it doesn't hurt having one. You're always gonna need one, so yeah, it always helps. This is my friend's, let me borrow it. Came in clutch, and as you can see, mine's almost done. What you will need is an OBD2 cable plus the converter thing. If you guys buy it off of Beamer Geeks, it comes with both. You just have to opt in for the adapter piece, and it's just like that. I'm using my Kindle tablet that I jailbroke and got the Google Play Store on because it's clutch as heck. For the people who want to know what maps to run, I would say stage 1 you can run stock, but it's recommended to just do some stuff. But I have full bolts on that. My charge pipe, my intakes, my down pipes. I don't even know if you can see it, but they're over there. Maybe you can see it. And then my front mount intercooler, which is right there. And then I have my lower end charge pipe right there. You can see the one that connects to the intercooler. Now, it's recommended to have all of these before going stage 2 plus, but you don't have to. But I'm a very tedious person when it comes to my car. I like to have everything done accordingly, and I like to do everything I can to it first before throwing power at it for safety reasons, and just because I don't want to misfire. I don't want to have issues. So that's what I did, and that's that. All right, boys, she's on, all tuned. Let's see. You guys hear that? Damn. Let's give it some more juice. Sheesh. Obnoxious. Hey everybody, welcome back to the vlog. As you guys can see right there, fenders rolled, I think pulled, don't remember, but that's what happened. We did everything of that yesterday. And oh wait, hold on, I doubt you can see it, but my camera arms are installed, ready to go. Yes sir. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna warm up the car. I'm not gonna vlog because it's gonna be loud, but we're gonna warm up the car. We're gonna take it to east side muffler to get in alignment, get a little bit of camber, and see how the final product is already done. So suspension wise, we're done. But anyways, yeah, the fenders that got rolled, the fenders that got pulled, they were all done. And the camber links, they were all done by a shop that's local here. It's called Stan's Garage Works. Throw it up right here, Stan's Garage Works. They do a lot of stuff, and we're gonna be working with them in the future because we need to. I've been talking with the owner to do some suspension work for the car for the future of the channel. So you guys know we have more stuff to come. We have a lot of stuff to come, and I'm gonna show you guys a new product I picked up. Don't know if I should show you guys yet, but I'm gonna be showing you guys at the end of the vlog. Nope, you guys can't see, but I'll give you guys a sneak peek. That's what it is right there. I'm gonna show you guys at the end of the vlog. All right, everybody, so what we're gonna do is we're on our way to the alignment shop right now. You can see my exhaust right there. We got a valve exhaust. We have a VALVETRONIC exhaust that I got off OfferUp. I picked it up on OfferUp for stupid low, and he never put on his car. He told me that when he bought the car, he bought it with blown, he bought it and the turbo seals were blown. So he had to get new turbo, and he just sold it because he didn't want to deal with it. And he bought the exhaust, and he never got to put on the car. Long story short, he had some bad luck, and he had to regain some money. So I bought it off of him. Brand new VALVETRONIC exhaust. I'm gonna take it to an exhaust shop because, as you guys know, my car has a muffler delete, but it has a relocated pipe for the middle. So which means that the exhaust is different now. It's not on the sides. So I want to see if they would even be able to put the muffler on to begin with. So that needs to get figured out. And on top of that, we need to see how much they would charge to put the exhaust plus that. This is custom. This whole exhaust is going to be custom because they have to cut off half of the exhaust, put on one muffler, and then put on the valve one on the other. So it's going to take some real custom fab. So I want to get prices. I want to get everything done. And they do alignments there too. So it's just like they might as well knock everything out today. So it's just like, why not? And while the car is up there, I'm gonna let you guys talk to Jose, which he is like the one that I always go to on Eastside Muffler. He's really cool. Hooked it up with a lot of shit. So yeah, pass you guys over to the muffler shop right now. Just made it. Gotta wait for our turn now. Alright guys, so this is where we're at right now. He's doing the exhaust same day today. So the exhaust I got is a VALVETRONIC valve exhaust. I'm gonna throw a screenshot of it right here. It's a VALVETRONIc valve exhaust, and it basically lets me open and close valve whenever I feel like it. You only use half of one muffler and half of the other one. So it makes it sound stock when the valves are closed, and then open a full straight pipe is what I'm trying to do. Because I need a straight pipe to shoot flames. So that's what we're going for, and that's what's gonna come out. Like that. Force it all out. Measurement. Yes, sir. Finally custom. All this should be good to go right after. Damn, she's so quiet. People that follow me, you guys knew I was rubbing really bad. My fingers got holes in my shoulder. I gotta have pampers. You guys, I can't wait. I can't wait until I really go home and install this. It's gonna sound so nice. Finish the alignment. It's really windy. Just testing it out.